Hi friends, it's Suzanne here. Welcome to another Fabricate Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, here is a wonderful little box that I created, and it is featuring the Specialty Designer Series paper called Season of Green and Gold. So I fussy cut a little sprig, and I also utilized the Greetings of the Season stamp set in garden green here, and I even used some of the metallic enamel effects basics. And I just wanted to share with you this cute little box. It should have gone with my Christmas in July content. However, it's coming out in August. If you want to learn how to make this box, follow me and we'll make it together. Alrighty, so we have a piece of cardstock. This happens to be very vanilla at 9.5 and 7.5. On the long side, we're going to score at 1, 2 3/4, 6 3/4, and 8.5. We're going to turn it around and we're going to score at 1 3/4, 3.5, 5 1/4, and 7. All right, we're going to fold and burnish all of our score lines. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to take away basically the corner, this tab, this tab, this tab. Okay, so let's cut this away. Gonna miter that out. That's gonna be our lip. And then I'm gonna cut down here, miter, cut away this tab and this and this. All right, I am going to cut away here and here, and here and here. All right, I marked with an X all of the tabs that we need to be removing. It got a little confusing, so I thought I would share just with the X's what we needed to get rid of. Funny thing is that I had this project planned for my Christmas in July content, and sadly I lost the footage. So this is what you should be having. And then I'm just going to miter some things just to make it a little bit prettier. So I'm going to miter this little tab and this tab, and here and here. So I've done this box a couple of times and I lost the footage first time, Second time I ran out of space, and then and it didn't record properly, so I've been struggling. But I'm finally getting around to doing it. Okay, so this is what you should have. Basically what we're going to do is put adhesive on the front part of this. And then the back part of this. And then the back part of this. Okay, so we're going to bring this up. Okay, and then we're going to bring this up. And then we're gonna, I probably should have did this before, but we're going to take these little extra tabs here and adhere adhesive, and then just fold them in. So it makes the sides really sturdy. So now I'm just going to feel on the box to make sure there isn't any lip or anything, and it looks good. So I am going to adhere some designer series paper. So I have 3 pieces that are 1.5 by 3 3/4. They go on the front, the top, and the back. And of course this is the same paper that I did using my Christmas in July. It is called the Season of Green and Gold Specialty Designer Series paper. And then I have 2 sides that are 1 1/2 by 1 1/2. Hang on, I gotta make sure that things are, the dots are going the right way. All right, so at this point, I cut out a little bit, like a sprig of that Specialty Designer Series paper, and I'm just going to adhere with some dimensionals. And remove. I'm going to put a little bit of adhesive on that tail. There we go. So I used, because I've done this a couple of times, I have already stamped with Garden Green, the Happy Holidays from the Greetings of the Season stamp set, and I backed, it was very vanilla, I backed that with crumb cake and then just some plain gold. So, and I just didn't want to waste what I did and re-stamp it for you, because yeah, I've done this a couple of 3 times, and let's just say I would like this project to be over. So I'm putting dimensional adhesive on. I don't know if you guys have this or not. I used it a lot in my projects for Christmas in July. And how I use it is I tap on the bottom, and then I sort of make sure that the product is right there because it could splurch. And then I'm gonna put 3 big ones, or sorry, a big, a small, and a medium dot. And then I always like to tap, so you can see how dimensional it gets. Okay, so you can see all the supplies I used today, listed below in the video see more section or in the supply section of my blog, where I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. So thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.